Viettiles Breeze Blocks, a creative solution for unique and striking bar counters. Nowadays, bar counters are not merely functional spaces for service, but also the first point of contact that leaves a lasting impression on customers. Viettiles Breeze Blocks offer a fresh and innovative approach, helping bar counters stand out by harmoniously combining aesthetics, functionality, and creativity. With their airy structure, breeze blocks not only facilitate the flow of natural light and air, but also create a unique lighting effect that brings the bar area to life both during the day and at night when illuminated by lighting systems. Notably, these products are handcrafted using eco-friendly, non-fired technology, making them a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious projects. Viettiles Breeze Blocks are the ideal option for those looking to design a bar counter with a distinctive character, something that feels both unique and refined, yet welcoming.